Today I'm going to show you how to assign team members to tasks in Motion. Ladies and gentlemen, right here in Motion, we are going to go over to the left-hand side. You'll see this little drop-down menu. You can click on that. On your profile picture, click on settings, and over here we're going to come down and you'll see team and team settings. Right here you can actually add team members. You can also see the details of your actual team. You can name your team, and on the top right you can click on invite members. So let's go ahead and enter some email addresses separated by commas to add our team members. Alright, here we go. We've got 2 email addresses. You can also change their role from admin to member, and then you can select a workspace if you have multiple workspaces. Click on send invites. You will now need to just upgrade so that you can send these invites. If you haven't upgraded, click on choose plan, go and choose your plan, and then you will have your team members over here on your plan. Okay, so from here, we're going to go out, we're going to go back over here, and we are going to jump into one of our projects. So right here on the left-hand side, you'll see my workspace, and you're going to go down to project 1. We've got this project, and what we can essentially do here is make sure that we're on the list view. So if you don't see list up here, you can actually click on Kanban, or if you click on this group by project or navigate, you'll be able to see this plus button. Not that one, the plus button. You can add a view, so make sure that the list view is in, because the list view will be the easiest way to do this. You can also do this on the Kanban view, but the list view is the easiest. So if you go into list, you will see hold in shift and use your mouse wheel to scroll down the line, and you will see assignee. Okay, so all of these can be added and taken away, but essentially we're looking for assignee. And if you click on assignee right here, you can choose who you want to assign to that task. Go ahead, click on that assignee, and you've now assigned a team member to a specific task in your project.